In today's video, we're going to cook salmon. First, let's make the marinade. Combine light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, black pepper, and lemon juice. Stir until sugar dissolves, then add in the salmon fillets. Mix well and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, heat the pan and add some oil. Stir-fry the onions quickly. Just halfway done and remove, and the onions are crunchy. Put in a bowl and keep it aside. Using the same oil, add in the ginger, garlic, and the white part of the spring onions. Stir fry until they soften and aromatic. Now add in the marinated salmon fillets. And spread the fillets to make sure each piece touches the pan, as we cannot stir vigorously or we might end up with salmon flakes. Add in the spring onion leaves and the marinade liquids. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, or as long as the fillets turn opaque. You know the salmon is done. At this time, adjust the seasoning. I'd like to add a little drizzle of sesame oil as a finishing touch. And don't forget the onions we kept aside earlier. Use it as a topping to give a nice crunchy texture. I'd sprinkle a few sesame seeds too. Serve the salmon over steamed rice and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.